What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you do not already know, I'm Brian, and today we're kind of out here in somewhat of wintry weather in Michigan. I don't know, this weather's
frozen
been
lake
all over the place the past couple weeks, but you know, that's beside the point. We're actually here today to give a big thank you to all our followers out there who have been supporting us. You know, we're not totally killing it on the YouTube aspect, but we're growing each and every day, and that is all because of you right there in that screen. Whether you're sitting in your car, you know, in the bathroom, you could be on, you know, on the line somewhere at work, just on an airplane for all we know, you know. But we couldn't do this all without you, and we just want to do a big appreciation to you guys. Thank you for all the support so far, checking us out, hitting that subscribe button, you know, watching our content. We got a lot of great stuff, you know, out there that we do. We have a lot of stuff coming up. We just big thanks and support, and we just want to keep you guys along for the ride with us as we go through this glorious venture journey. And just stay with us on this video too. We got a few more announcements, so let's go.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. My name is Darius. If you guys don't already know, Darius, what's up? So we're just doing an update 2023, guys. Once again, thank you for 2022. We appreciate you, but 2023 announcements, okay? We want to hear from you guys, okay? Let's walk, man. So we want to hear from you. We want to know what you guys want, okay? What do you guys want to see more of? Because obviously this is all about, you know, bringing content to you guys, the viewers. Is not just about what we like to do for fun, right? It's all informational stuff, things that benefit the viewer, okay? So we do got some stuff coming up. We got some side-by-side riding. We got our stuff over at Hen Racing right now. I got the X3 over there getting some cabin closure, and we're gonna do a UTV ride. It's gonna be over 350 to 400 side-by-sides, okay? It's about to be bumping, okay? So we're just excited, okay? We got some snowmobiling coming. We're doing our giveaway light bar. We're gonna be giving them the light bar actually at that event, okay? So stay tuned for that. The one that won the light bar. We're gonna be giving the bike away to the gentleman that won it in Wisconsin. We're driving, you guys didn't see the last video, we are driving to Wisconsin, okay? And we're gonna check out the auto show while we're there as well, all right? Bringing the wife along, Brian's coming, we're gonna have a good time. All right, so we're excited. So 2023, just know we got stuff coming. We got trips coming. We're probably gonna see West Virginia, and yeah.
All right, once again, guys, thank you very much. Big thanks. We can say it 75 times so we're blue in the face. That almost fell.
Ooh, well there.
But thank you very much. We all appreciate it. Don't forget, leave a comment below. Let us know what you want to see more of. You know, we won't know unless you leave a comment. So right now, leave a comment. Let us know. We want to hear from you. You know, you guys make this thing run. We greatly appreciate it. And also, if anyone's looking to rent snowmobiles in the Michigan area, we check out our friends at Countywide Adventures. We're gonna leave a link in the description below. They have 2 locations, one in Harbor Springs and one in Gaylord. So just give them a call, let them know Venture All Terrain sent you, and they will give you 10%, 10% off your rental purchase.
Get on those phones.
Let them know. It's a great experience. We highly recommend it. And don't forget, guys, your next venture is just one step away.
All right, guys. Made it to the top.
Devil's Bridge.
Devil's Bridge. How you feeling?
Good.
Feeling good?
out today.
How was it, guys?
Very awesome.
Good, good.
I was holding her very tight when I didn't need to.
You said you were holding her super tight?
Yeah, I was like clinging on for dear life.
I know it's a little sketch, but not terribly.
I thought I'd be freaking out, but
No, it's not as bad as you like put in your brain
No,
too.
well, this angle here too makes it.
It makes it look
super
like it's like 2 feet wide. Yeah, for sure. All right. That doesn't help you feel any better, does it?
no.
It's okay. All right.
Yeah.